Dreamwings.
Far above the clouds, beyond the shining mountains, there was a magical land called Nuristan. It was one of the most beautiful places in the world. The trees had glowing leaves that shined softly at night. Colorful flowers filled the air with sweet fragrance and gentle music. In the sky, thousands of bright stars sparkled like tiny diamonds. Many beautiful fairies lived in Nuristan. They had shining wings and wore colorful dresses made of light and flowers. When they laughed, their laughter sounded like soft bells, and the whole forest became full of joy. The last day of Ramadan had arrived, and everyone in Nuristan was very excited. The fairies knew that the next day would be Eid, the happiest celebration of the year. This year, 4 fairies were chosen to prepare the Eid celebration. The first fairy was Lara, who was cheerful and playful. She loved making others laugh. The second fairy was Nora, who was wise and calm. She always thought carefully before making decisions. The third fairy was Zara, who was very creative and loved making beautiful magical decorations. The fourth fairy was Tasmia, who had a very kind heart and always helped others. Tasmia was loved by everyone because she always cared about other fairies and tried to make them happy. One day before Eid, Nuristan became very busy. Fairies were flying everywhere, preparing for the big celebration. Zara was collecting small shining stars from the sky to create magical Eid lights that would glow in many beautiful colors. Lara was making Eid gifts using colorful flowers and tiny golden ribbons. Nora was reading an old magical book to plan the best Eid celebration Nuristan had ever seen. Tasmia was helping the younger fairies prepare sweet fruits, candies, and magical desserts for the Eid feast. While working, Lara laughed and said, "What if we add a little magic to the Eid sweet? Everyone will become extra happy." Zara smiled and said, "Maybe they will laugh all day after eating them." Tasmia gently laughed and said, "But the most beautiful magic is kindness and sharing happiness." Nora nodded and said, "That is true." Soon Chand Raat arrived. All the fairies gathered near a magical lake to watch the Eid moon rise in the sky. Slowly, the moon appeared above the clouds, but something was strange. The moonlight looked very dim. The glowing trees of Nuristan also started losing their light. The fairies became worried. At that moment, the wise fairy Queen Mahina appeared. She looked at the fairies and said softly, "The light of Eid becomes bright when every heart is happy. If someone in Nuristan is sad, the moon also loses its shine." The fairies looked at each other with surprise. The fairies started searching the forest. After some time, they found a small fairy named Meena sitting beside a flower. She was quietly crying. Tasmia gently walked to her and asked kindly, "Meena, why are you sad? Tomorrow is Eid." Meena wiped her tears and said, "Everyone has gifts to give each other, but I have nothing." Tasmia smiled warmly and held Meena's hand. She said, "The real meaning of Eid is not gifts. The real meaning of Eid is sharing happiness." Zara suddenly had a wonderful idea. She used moonlight, flowers, and shining stars to create a magic tree in the middle of the meadow. This magical tree had a special power. It would give gifts to anyone who made another person happy. Lara quickly tried to make everyone laugh. She performed a funny magic trick, but suddenly her hat turned upside down and fell over her eyes. All the fairies burst into laughter. Meena also started laughing happily. At that moment, the magic tree began to glow with bright light. Colorful gifts, sweets, and shining Eid coins appeared on its brow. The whole land of Nuristan became bright again. Crescent moon, the beautiful Eid morning. The next morning, Nuristan looked more beautiful than ever. The fairies wore their most colorful dresses. They gathered in a large green meadow to celebrate Eid together. Some fairies were happily saying Eid Mubarak to each other. Others were sharing delicious sweets and fruits. Tasmia and her friends were giving shiny Eid coins to the younger fairies, who jumped with excitement. Some fairies were singing joyful songs. Some were flying high in the sky, spreading magical sparkles that looked like tiny stars. Zara created a beautiful rainbow of light across the sky. Lara was telling funny jokes and making everyone laugh again and again. And little Meena was smiling and dancing happily with the other fairies. Tasmia looked around and said softly, "See, when we share happiness, Eid becomes even more beautiful." Sparkles the magical ending. Queen Maheen watched the joyful celebration and smiled. She said, "Always remember, the real magic of Eid is kindness, love, and sharing joy with others." From that day on, the fairies of Nuristan made a promise. Every Eid, before celebrating, they would first make someone happy.